Welcome to SHOT Show 2014. I'm Chip Honeycutt with Crosman, and here we are, Media Day at the range, where the manufacturers have their brand new products for the media to try out for the first time. And Crosman has brought the Nitro Piston 2. Breakthrough brake barrel technology. We're going to be telling you more about it coming up. Let's look at some reaction and a recap of today at Media Day.
Wow, Mr. Gaylord!
How you doing?
Whoever made that trigger knows something about triggers. Okay, I hit exactly where I aimed.
Okay, try her again.
This is spot on.
Nitro Piston 2 is an entirely new design from the ground up. Everything from the trigger, to the piston, to the baffling system.
I like the trigger and I like the way that